Hi, I'm Stuart from Beaux-Arts, and I'm going to show you how to place one of these new 3-inch LIthonia LED wafer thins up in your ceiling. These new lights are incredible. You don't need a canister behind these because they don't produce the heat that the old incandescent light bulbs did. But and all you have to do is what we've done here is cut a 4 1/4 inch hole in the ceiling and in the drywall in this case, and then you can put these right up there and wire them up to your AC power. This is a little box that converts it to direct current to run the LED. So let's show you how to do it. I'm going to show you how to do it with one of our recessed light medallions made especially to fit this piece. So I'm going to take the electrical box unit and put it into the ceiling, and then I'm going to hold this right up on the ceiling and come back with this light and bend over these powerful springs here in the back until they go in, and then it goes pretty much right in. There you go. Get it adjusted and it looks pretty good. That's it.